Thanks for tuning in, and welcome to Information and Technology, the Info Series. I'm your host, Owen Fleming, and in this installment of the series, we will be talking about system software. So if you think you already know about system software, guess again, because we will be covering more than just the basics. We're going to talk about the types of systems, licensing of systems, and our system software sources. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So, there are two types of systems commonly used by computers, and they're both just as important. First is the operating system. Every computer has an operating system. It allows for the components or hardware of your computer to physically turn on and function. It also connects the parts together to allow for data transfer. So you don't physically see much of your operating system, but every computer has one. Then there is the application system. An application system runs off of the operating system to allow users to do certain things. For example, your operating system is connected to a DVD drive, but how does your operating system know to start playing the DVD in the DVD drive? Well, you would install a video application and it would tell the operating system what to do. So, in simple terms, an operating system operates the computer, and the application system applies the command to do certain tasks the user tells it to do. Now, knowing how softwares are licensed is very important so that your company doesn't run into legal issues in the future. So, there are three types of licenses that softwares can have. Firstly, open source licenses. An open source license is generally obtained for software that someone wants others to build off of. The software must be offered without any restrictions on what users can access, which allows for easy modification of the software. Then there's free software. Free software can be modified freely by any person, but cannot be redistributed at a cost. If you have obtained software that is a free license, you must offer any version of the program for free. Finally, the most traditional business software license, a proprietary license, protects the software from modification and redistribution. Most products that are sold have a proprietary license so that businesses aren't losing their software to other companies. If you have a software that has a proprietary license, you may not modify it without permission first. Alright, now I'm going to briefly go over how you can obtain software for your business. The most common type of software is off-the-shelf software. This is software created by someone else and is made widely available, usually for a set price. This is the cheapest method of obtaining a software, but unfortunately, because it wasn't designed with your needs specifically in mind, it may not do everything you need it to do. Modified off-the-shelf software usually suits your needs better than a product directly from the shelf, and this is because it is exactly what it sounds like. This is a product you have purchased or obtained and then modified to suit your needs better. Depending on the license, this isn't always doable though. Some software does not allow for you to modify it, and others require you to obtain permission, which can be costly. So depending on the software you wish to modify, this can end up being very pricey, but can definitely suit what you need better than a product directly from the shelf. So, finally, there is custom software. This software is designed specifically for you and your uses. Usually it is exclusive to you and you have paid for someone to design the program and own the license for the software. Although this will work the best for your uses, it is extremely costly to have software designed from scratch. Therefore, if possible, the best way to go would be off-the-shelf software. So, thank you for tuning in to this week's installment of Information Technology, the Info Series. Stay tuned for our next episode, an invigorating look at what a network is.